Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. This is kind of cool because it's something I've never seen before, but it is what's called a pop-up mobile external CD-ROM, DVD-ROM drive writer kind of thing. Okay, you'll see what I mean when I open it up. There's nothing really around on the box itself, but on the back there's all kinds of neat information. And it's a player, writer, rewriter, burner, and it does have support for SD, TF memory cards. Let me open it up and show you. It's going to be a lot easier. But again, I've never seen anything like this before. So I'm going to open this up. Now, one thing that does make me nervous, I'm going to be honest, it's a very nondescript brand. But opening it up, ooh. We do have, looks like a USB to USB mini. And, oh, on the bottom it has the same thing. That's interesting. Pull that out. Oh, I see. To plug it in, it's actually, the cable is attached. Okay. So the cable itself is attached. It does say external ODD and HDD device. Power supply is DC 5 volt. Let's see, class 1 laser product. It is kind of cool that this has its own little, no, I can't do it. Its own little kind of carrying case or carrying holder area. So when you go to travel, that goes in there. This goes down here, and actually the cable goes the other way, like in there. But it's nice and compact in design. Cool, I like that. And this is where, of course, the CD-ROM goes into, right here. And on the one side here, it has, looks like a USB-C. It has 3 USB outputs, or inputs, I should say. And then here you have the card reader. So this would be really neat. It looks like a micro SD, and then, oh, and then on the back side here, it looks like a 3.0 USB connector. That's nice. Okay, now I have my new computer here, set up, ready to go. And if you didn't see the unboxing of the Acer Nitro 5 laptop, then I'll put a little link down below for that as well. Really cool device. So let's go ahead and set this thing up. Let's go ahead and pull off the protector screen. Oh, it does have a little user manual here. So multi-purpose external DVD drive. It does have English, Deutsch, so German, French, Spanish, Italian. Ooh, so this is an international drive. Yeah. Okay, pretty much it says just plug it in and it should work. We're going to test out that theory. Alrighty. So on the back, you can see here, there is an actual USB-C port. So we're going to plug that in there since I have one on this desktop. If I didn't, I could have just plugged in on a port on the side, a 3.0 port. Cord could be a little bit longer. I'll have to admit, not too happy about that. But I can get an extension, that's not that big of a deal. But probably has to have power going all the way through it. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the Acer. And you do see power here. So let's see if we can get this open. Yep, there it is. Okay, so we pop that open. And of course you do have your outputs here. So let's see if that'll read anything. Okay, we do have a micro SD card here. See if we can plug that in. Looks like it goes in upside down. Push that in. Do I need to push it in harder? Oh, yes, I do. Okay. It did go in a little bit further. There it is. Okay. So we're going to click on that. Open up the files. It works. But what I'm also going to do, I'm going to test out these ports here. Take this out, and the easiest way to do that, take a micro SD USB 2.0 reader, pop that same disc in there. I'll just pick one of these. I guess because it's new, it's just kind of hard to stick in there. There it is. And it does give different drive numbers to different inputs. That's cool. And then I wonder if this is an input or an output in the back. Looks like it says 3.0. Let's plug that in and see what it does. Ding! Here is the F drive right here. At least it's calling it the F drive. I think this is definitely worth it. Oh, this is a neat toy. So not only do you have the, at least we know it reads, right here, but also on the back side, again, it's a little awkward, but for just a few bucks more, instead of just having CD read write and DVD read write, on the back, turn it around, and you got all the extra outputs here. So it's kind of like a little dock. I like it. All right, so I hope that was interesting for you. And as always, have a great day. Ha ha.